Today we're going to talk about 10 foods you should avoid if you have diabetes. Managing diabetes is crucial for overall health, and what you eat plays a vital role in that. By being mindful of your food choices, you can take significant steps toward regulating your blood sugar levels and improving your well-being. Remember to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that suits your individual needs. Let's start with a big one. Sugary beverages. Think sodas, sweetened juices, sports drinks, and energy drinks. These drinks are practically liquid sugar, and they can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Consuming sugary drinks sends your blood sugar soaring, putting you at risk for hyperglycemia. So, ditch the sugary drinks and opt for healthier alternatives like water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits and herbs. Water is the best choice, and you can make it more interesting by adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Next up, we have trans fats, the unhealthy fats you want to avoid like the plague. Trans fats are often found in processed foods, margarine, and baked goods. They raise your bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower your good cholesterol, HDL, increasing your risk of heart disease. Always check the ingredient list of packaged foods and avoid anything that contains partially hydrogenated oil. Choose healthier fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. While carbohydrates are an essential part of a balanced diet, not all carbs are created equal. Refined grains like white bread, pasta, and rice have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients during processing. Instead of refined grains, opt for whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These whole grain options are packed with fiber, which slows down digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Yogurt can be a healthy snack, but be cautious of fruit-flavored varieties. Many of these yogurts are loaded with added sugar, which can send your blood sugar soaring. Always check the nutrition label and choose plain, unsweetened yogurt. You can add your own fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, in moderation, or a sprinkle of nuts for flavor and texture. Greek yogurt is another excellent option, as it's higher in protein and lower in carbohydrates compared to traditional yogurt. Starting your day with a bowl of sugary cereal might seem harmless, but it can be a recipe for a blood sugar roller coaster. Many breakfast cereals are packed with sugar and low in fiber and protein. Instead of sugary cereals, opt for healthier breakfast options like oatmeal, overnight oats, or a scramble with vegetables and whole grain toast. These options provide a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber, keeping you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the morning. That caramel macchiato or pumpkin spice latte might be calling your name, but be aware of their hidden sugar bombs. Flavored coffee drinks are often loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, making them a poor choice for anyone watching their blood sugar levels. If you enjoy a daily coffee, stick to plain unsweetened coffee or tea. You can add a splash of unsweetened almond milk or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor without the added sugar. While often marketed as healthier alternatives to white sugar, honey, agave nectar, and maple syrup can still impact your blood sugar levels. These natural sweeteners are still sugars and should be consumed in moderation. If you're using these natural sweeteners, do so sparingly. And remember, they are not free foods and should be factored into your overall carbohydrate intake for the day. Dried fruit can be a tricky one. The drying process concentrates the sugars, making dried fruit a more concentrated source of sugar compared to fresh fruit. If you enjoy dried fruit, consume it in moderation and pair it with a source of protein or fat to slow down sugar absorption. Let's face it, packaged snack foods are everywhere, and they can be tempting when you're on the go. However, many of these snacks are loaded with refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. When you're feeling peckish, opt for healthier snack options like a piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, or some cut-up vegetables with hummus. You might think you're making a healthy choice by opting for fruit juice, but even 100% fruit juice can be problematic for blood sugar control. This lack of fiber means that the sugar in fruit juice is absorbed into your bloodstream more quickly, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. If you're craving a glass of juice, opt for a small glass and dilute it with water to reduce the sugar concentration. And always choose 100% fruit juice without any added sugars. Managing diabetes requires a multifaceted approach, and making mindful food choices is a crucial piece of the puzzle. By avoiding these 10 foods, you can take significant steps toward regulating your blood sugar levels and improving your overall health. Start by gradually incorporating these dietary adjustments into your lifestyle, and don't hesitate to seek guidance from your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos.